Hello everyone, welcome back to premium course Steel Warehouse Design. In this section I will show you how to use tension only member or steel rod for flashing the expressing system in this building. Now let's click on the model. You can use a tension only member, but it's not available design in non-linear in the Tekla Structural Designer. You can only design it in linear analysis. This software will be converted to linear element. Now click on the expressing again, expressing, plus, and strength autometry at 275 equal right. And now let's change it to the edit. And you can select on the USA. Sorry, come back section. You can use edit section and you edit new and click on the zero and change the section to the USA and scroll down, select on rod. Now let me click on the steel rod 20 and select OK. We use the steel rod 20 and design order. You can check it and edit it to the USA and rod and select yes. It's correct, everything is correct right now. And just click on the tension only. Yeah. This one, how you can change the compression and tension member by using the option. If you want to only design for the compression member, click on compression member only. And if you want to design for the tension member, click on tension member only. Now for the steel rod, we design it for the tension member only, or for the other material design in the tension available in compression in the steel rod, or you can use the cable, the cable to pressing the beading by using tension only. Now it is the correct when you design for the tension only for the steel rod. Yes. And let me click on 1, 2, 3 and enter. 1, 2, 3, enter. 1, 2, 3, enter. Yeah. And for the option in the setting, come back in the setting and sorry, I will check. You should use this option. If you model the tension member only on your model, you must click on the relaxation factor. Yes, relaxation factor, and click on OK. How you can model tension and compression only and steel rod in Tekla Structural Designer 2024. This is for analysis only, for design, to make sure everything you have to check it manually. Example, a tension in this steel rod is I assume the tension 4, tensile 4 is equal to 20 kilonewton, and the section of the steel rod, I assume it 20, 20 P multiply with 20 over 2 power 2 over 4. Yes. So we have to check the stress, tensile stress, tensile stress, equal to is 4 multiply with 10 power 3. We convert in kilonewton to newton and divide by this section. So the tensile stress is only 63.2 ampere, megapascal. So in the case you can optimize the section of steel rod. You only, now let me change it to 12. Yes, if you use a 255 S255 is okay. For this steel rod, because tensile stress is only 176.83. Don't forget about design setting. In setting, we use the relation factor for tension element. So when you run analysis and design, the software will be automatically update the factor for this member. So do not design it 100% with the steel strength, because you the relation. We should consider about the relation factor. Yes. So now how you can check and design the tensile stress manually in Tekla Structural Designer. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Thank you for your watching. But in the tutorial we do not focus about tension member only. We just focus about on expressing. This is the stress member, the compression and tension member. In this, each member can be received two force, compression and tension member without torsion. We release torsion for the stress member. Thank you for your watching. Thank you.